In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Basic-4 Flow Opacity in Krita. To get started, select the Basic-4 Flow Opacity brush. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Basic-4 Flow Opacity or look for the preset named Basic-4 Flow Opacity. Once you find it, click the preset to select the brush. The Basic-4 Flow Opacity brush combines flow and opacity control to create more natural-looking strokes. To use it, select the brush and start drawing on your canvas. The pressure of your pen can control how much paint is applied and how strong each stroke appears. Apply lighter pressure to create softer and more transparent strokes. Increase the pressure to create stronger and more solid strokes. You can also adjust the brush size, opacity, and flow settings to control the appearance of your brush strokes. The Basic-4 Flow Opacity brush is commonly used for sketching, line work, painting, shading, and adding details. It is useful when you need smooth control over how color builds up while drawing. When using this brush, build up your artwork gradually by adding multiple strokes. Adjust the brush settings as needed while working on different areas of your canvas. Once you have selected the brush and adjusted the settings, you can continue creating your artwork with controlled and flexible strokes. And that's how to use Basic-4 Flow Opacity in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.